Hey, this is Johnny. Wanted to do a video just kind of in response in part to some of the videos I've seen here on making Chief, the face planes, work for modeling, and I have to hand it to Yusuf. That was a brilliant idea, how to get something done in Chief. But just to lend some perspective on other apps and how fast that sort of thing is and how precise, I just wanted to demonstrate this here real quick in Vectorworks on how fast that is. Let me just create a 10, -10. So I'm going to create the first is the chimney top cap. And so I've just created one rectangle and 2 squares. And I just go over here to my multiple extrude. I set a height. Let's just say I want to set that at 25 inches. Okay, and now that it's set both at 25. It's not the point though, so I'm just going to bring this back down. I'll come -8, and I'm just, this could be anything that I wanted it to be. However, Vectorworks is not done there. I'm not just stuck with a box that represents a cap. I can actually hollow that cap out. So if this was, say, a metal box and I wanted to make this a shell, I set my setting, select one of the faces, press enter, and let me just grab this. And what I have here now is a complete hollowed out shell cap with a customizable thickness on the edges here. So so it's not just a set of geometry to represent something. It can actually be an actual cap, and you saw how fast that was. Next thing is kind of a twisted chimney, and so let me just say 20 by -20, and again, it doesn't really matter what these are. And I will go ahead and just extrude this up, say 8 feet. And I will grab a deform tool here, go back up top plan, and I can select and rotate this. Let's just say I want to do it twice around the perimeter, and voila. Again, I can actually continue to edit this geometry, so if I didn't like something I saw, it wouldn't be a large process to redo it. Fact is, I can unwind partially, so I can visually work my design out on the fly and not have all sorts of setup. And so, and again, I'm not trying to poo-poo what anybody else did in Chief. I just wanted to illustrate just how far behind Chief is in all this. Some would say ArchiCAD and Rhinoceros and some others are much more proficient than Vectorworks at modeling these kind of generic shapes. So anyhow, but I just to lend some perspective here. Thanks.